Good morning, good afternoon, good night, my people in which part of the world on a day. This is what 18 Canadian dollars will give you when you buy mango in Canada, Ontario. Me don't know about the other province them. But my people, it take me down a memory lane though, you know. Me remember back in the day when a mango time at Jamaica, mango a drop and ground, and if mango bust and have any little kind of sitting pan it, we don't want it. We are pep past that and go get in mango with nice and clean with no kind of little things pan it. My people, we bless, you know, Jamaica is a fruitful place and we bless beyond measure, you know. When you come a Farrin, you realize that you have to take what you get until you get what you want. So until then, me just a go and eat one of my mango cousin. Yeah man, cause them your mango distant cousin. And me just a go wash it now and go near me and pretend like say me dey a Jamaican and that mango tree I eat some Julian East Indian mango. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening or night, any which part of the world on there.